Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button. Comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate. And hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Now, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, pwede po kayong sumali doon. No? Huwag po kayong matakot. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang ng reading na ito. Take what's only yours. Simulan na natin, Capricorn. So, parang nag-aalinlangan tayo kung gagawin ba natin ang isang bagay. So, parang meron tayong gustong gawin, may push na, no? From some force we don't know, na parang, sige na, parang may bulong din, gawin mo, no? Na, ikaw naman nagdadalawang isip. But I feel like you should listen, no? To that intuition. You should listen to that gut feeling. Kasi parang, sa ikabubuti din to sa ikasasaya. I feel like this might be a missed opportunity kung pipigilan natin, no? Ang ating damdamin para sabihin natin i-control or wag gawin itong bagay na ito. Like for singles, or dun sa mga may crushes, no? Let's say, kung meron tayong nakikitang isang tao, I think that this is the time for you to express what you feel. Hindi mo naman kailangang, kahit na ipagsigawan ito or ipabillboard kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, no? Just by simply, kahit siguro magpalipad hangin lang tayo, no? Mapipick up ito ni person rather than keeping it to ourselves, no? Dun sa mga no labels situation or pwedeng third party, you might have some request. It might be a demand, a wish na pwede nating sabihin gusto nating ma-experience. I think pwede natin itong gawin kahit na either pabulong or pabiro, no? Parang palipad hangin din I think na ibibigay sa atin, no? There's something about our wish will be granted. The 9 of Cups is in here. Doon po sa mga in a relationship or some married situation, no? I feel like meron kang gusto ditong hingin sa kanya. It may be a literal thing or it might be them, no? Kung meron kayong separations na nasa ibang lugar, pwedeng either umuwi ka na or magbakasyon ka naman, no? I feel like ibibigay ito, magkita naman tayo, no? For those who are physically separated with the person, kahit walang problema, no? I feel like, ang nagiging issue kasi natin dito yung absence, no? Nung tao. Siguro there's longing in here. Parang sinasabi natin, nakakamiss na rin kasi, no? Itong presensya mo. Gusto kitang manghawakan, makausap, makita, no? Sa personal. Doon po sa iba naman na nandito naman yung kanilang person, I feel like, umalis naman tayo, mag-date naman tayo. We probably need some vacation, no? This might be yung kahit konting kapritsyo, manood naman tayo ng sine. I feel like ibibigay naman sa atin ito. The 5 of Wands, the Empress, the Queen of Cups, the 7 of Cups, the Justice, 5 of Wands is clarified by the 3 of Cups and the King of Wands. I feel like meron ditong misunderstanding, no, doon sa mga merong energetic separations. Energetic separations, ito po yung nakikita naman kayo pero hindi kayo nakapag-usap. I think that communication is really the key, no, para maayos ito. Maraming bagay or paraan kung paano natin sasabihin ito with the 7 of Cups, no? 6 of Swords and the Knight of Swords. Pwedeng i-post natin. Hindi yung problema, no? Kundi yung solusyon. Or it can be a song. Or it can be literal kahit wag mo na siyang i-post, direktahin mo na We need to talk. Yung tone, kailangan maayos. I feel like, kung gagawin naman ito, basta maayos yung tone ha, basta maayos po ang pagdi-deliver. Ayan. I feel like maayos din naman kung ano yung sigalot dito, no? And I think na maayos ito sa labas, which means it could be a date, it could be a party, it could be sa inuman session. I'm also hearing karaoke, no? So baka sing along. I feel like meron itong i-dedicate sa'yo. If you want to check their profile or Facebook profile, baka meron tong mga kanta or quotes. You might not gonna be tagged in this. Pwede rin naman nakatag kayo, but chances are, alam nyo kung sino yung tinutukoy ni person and that is you. Hindi ito parinig na para siraan. This is parinig para more of humingi ng tawad, makapag-ayos, or it could be a parinig, cute parinig, no, na let's say, lumabas naman tayo, no? Yung mga sweet nothings, I feel like dadaanin ito sa ibang way or shape ng communication. There might also be something in here na magugustuhan nila na ginawa mo. This can be nagpagupit ka ng buhok, nagpakulay ng buhok, nagpa-ribbon, nagpakulot, what have you, no? I feel like there is some physical changes in you as the Empress na parang mas lalo nilang masasabi, ay, bagay sa'yo yan, gusto ko yung ginawa mo, gusto ko yung nangyayari. And I feel like meron ka rin gustong sabihin sa kanila, like, appreciation. And I feel like mapapasaya mo itong taong to kapag narinig nila sa'yo na na-appreciate mo sila. Yung misunderstanding dito, I feel like hindi lang nagkatugma or iba yung interpretation, but I feel like maayos din ito, pero kailangan, no? Kasi there's temptation in here for you to take action. Whether it is literal, sabihin mo verbally, or i-post mo siya, or tumawag ka na lang using your phone, or, WhatsApp, Messenger, what have you. So, I am seeing pagkakaayos, I am seeing harmony, and wish granted, no? Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, doon po tayo nagla-live, no? So, pwede kayong sumali doon. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Doon po sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, no, for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So, Capricorn, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Cancer, Libra, Virgo, Pisces, Sagittarius, Scorpio, did I said Pisces? Yes. Leo. Scorpio is napaka-dominant, no? So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.